Okay, here he is. First time on the machine. It's a little clumsy. It's actually a little scary. Wow, he's doing pretty good. I better stand clear. I could die. Yeah, good. Yeah, pick the dirt up. I just took that out. Good. Now he's putting it back in the hole. See if he can do it. Okay, now pull the bucket. Right towards me. Right hand towards me. To turn the bucket.
Put a little bit in there.
Yeah. There. Hey, look at this. See how it does several functions at once?
Yeah.
There he goes.
How do we get it to be a little more gentle?
Yeah, that's the operator.
Yeah,
To practice. It's one of those things that you sleep on it and the next day you're better. It's like playing, I just get to go to work and play Nintendo all day long.
I'm not hearing anything you're saying.
I don't know how long he wants us recording.